Oh my gosh.
So soft, isn't it?
Yeah?
Wow. Wow.
You want to put it in the plastic bag for the chickens?
It may be worth taking to their food. Man, if they want, look at this.
Wait, remember you said brush
Try
them
and video
first?
that. Try and video that. There's no way to brush this. Can you touch it so it focuses? The underside is really soft. That top layer is just nasty though. Look at that. Poor baby.
Oh my gosh.
We're going to take better care of you. Wow. Look at that.
Wow.
Want a rug?
No.
Want a scarf?
No.
To keep you warm?
No.
Alright, let me just... Good boy, Junior. Look, I'm not even close to his skin. Feel how soft this is.
Oh.
Try and get it on the video.
Is it really that gross?
What do you mean?
Like, is it gross?
Well, it'd be clean if he was a little bit cleaner of an animal.
Oh.
Good boy, Junior. You're being a good boy.
He's just starting to dig into him. That's at least 4 inches.
Oh my, at least. Look at that. Can you get a video?
Is that his skin?
Well, I've still got quite a bit before it's his skin. Are you going to video it?
Yeah. You don't want to trim off too much.
No, I know.
You can still stay warm.
Well, he's going to be hot here in a couple weeks. Look at that.
Yeah. Oh man, yummy.
Delicious. I'm telling you, I can make you a carpet.
Hey, make Andrew a little hat.
Take my picture.
Okay. You can put it in your basket.
Why don't you go get me that trash bucket, the blue plastic